Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a Dutch pour, but I want to try and leave negative space. And if anybody knows me, you'll know I'm not very good at leaving negative space, so we'll see how it goes. But this is the dried result of the swipe we did. Really pretty. I've just put a coat of gloss varnish on it. So it is still wet with a gloss varnish, but it looks very, very cool. Beautiful colors on it. So I'm going to put that out the way. And then I've just got I believe it's a 30 by 30 centimeter. It is. And we're going to do a Dutch pour on there with my little mini blower. Right, so what I've done is I've mixed up some paints. I've watered them down slightly, and I've just got 3 colors there, and then I've got a base which I want to cover the whole canvas with. So we're going to start just covering the canvas with this base color, and then we shall get started. Okay, I've covered the canvas with that base. What I actually want to do quickly is, if I can find a brush, is I want to cover the edges, because if I'm leaving negative space, you know, the paint might not go over the edges, so I just want to give the edges a coat of paint for in case the paint doesn't go over. Right, so let's put some paint down. I'm going to blow it out this way, so I'm going to put paint down over here. Actually, maybe I'll put it like that. Right, on top of that I will put this. And on top of that I will put this. And I just want to drizzle a little bit more of this dark purple over the top. Come on. Okay, let's see what we'll end up with. Well, I do like that. Yeah, I do like that. That is very cool. Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out what to do with these edges here. Yeah, that looks better. Oh, wow. I really like that. Look at that. Wow, okay. The heat gun have brought up tiny little, they look like tiny little cells. It actually, it's fine. It's given it a little bit of a different effect. I like it. I'm not upset about that. Oh, I do like that. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Let me take my gloves off quick. Hold on a sec. So there it is. It is different. Now, as you know, I battle to leave negative space, but I do have some negative space there, so that's what I was aiming for. But look how pretty. You see those tiny little cells that have popped up. It's very cool. Very, very cool. And I do like the colors. I think there's some very pretty colors in here, nice and bright. The green is metallic. The purple is, of course, a dark purple. And then that other color is actually a mixture of fluorescent pink and fluorescent orange. I mixed the two together and I got that color. Yeah, I like it. I do. Very cool.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.